brother. I'm sorry to see. He's my cousin. Oh my god. I'm so sorry. I'm so sorry. Should I say sorry by the way? I'm so sorry. Cool, stop coming behind me, please. Today we will be finding the most weirdest mysteries in high school. Number one is this place, not the here, in the swimming pool of the school. Oh, what is this now? Oh, well, okay. That's actually a Japanese word, but actually I'm American. Let's sit it for 5 minutes. I got the fidget spinner. Why is he following me? Get out of here. Get out of here too. Get out of here. Cool. Cool, get out of here. Ouch. At least. Inside the school. At least. But now we have to go to the swimming pool for finding the Despacito spiders. Despacito. Okay. We will walk to the school. I do the Spanish. By the way, I'm not Spanish. Okay, see, this place is the exit. I know that's swimming pool here. I want to get out of the skateboard. Okay, better. Let's go to the swimming pool. And then first yellow gate is the exit. First of all, we come out from this door. I know it's weird, but we have to find Despacito spider. If they're okay. What is Cool doing here again? First we have to do a flip. Then we have to on a button. And then voila, the door opens. I don't know why he went. I'm faster than you, Sean. No! What are you doing? Why skateboard? Don't attack the Despacito spiders, by the way. Don't attack the Despacito spiders. I want a swimming in my glitching. Oh yeah. These are called Despacito spiders. If you tell Despacito, you'll get the badge. Say Despacito. Despacito. And now I get my badge. Do I already have the badge? Yeah, I already have the badge. As you know. But he's a bigger dude than me. Told you. Not even come out from the door, but I love him so much. Now let's continue with this video instead of this useless thing at home. Now we'll be finding the second mystery, which I cannot find at all, and that's under the bridge. Now let's forget about the mystery and just continue in our video. Let's roam around in the school. I know this is boring, but now what to do? I cannot even do that. I think let's swim a little bit. Yes, 1, 2, 3. Let's dive. Why am I dying? Yeah. Cousin brother, do you want to race? No. Why no? Okay, no. I just want to chill. Okay, chill out then. Can you slide or jump? Something? Okay. If you want that way, then don't do anything. Okay, now we'll jump swim. Just jump swim. Let's roam around the second floor of the school now. This is a shortcut, right? I think let's go to the nightclub. Okay, I'm hungry. I'm hungry, but I don't want to. Ouch. strong baby. What? What in the world? Samba, samba! Samba, samba! I hate done, but I have to do this. Hi. Hi. That's really strict how I'm doing it. Hi. What? Girls cannot do robotics? Ha. Hoo ha. What? That was mean. I wasn't running after her. Let's run after her. Yeah. Let's run after her. Let's run after her. Yeah. Let's run after her. I also going to get food. Huh? Have any problem? What is the song? In America, this never song comes. Let's go home. Let's spawn home. Because we don't have a home. Let's spawn home. Let's go in the bedroom. What is he doing outside? Why do I live in a big place? What do you want? No! Do not come in my home. Do not come in my home, sucker. Stop. Stop. This is my home. Then I'm a YouTuber. I'm a YouTuber. Have any problem? I am so jealous. Okay, I just know I'm not a YouTuber. I'm a beginner. That's why I'm doing this. Wow. I don't want to. He's careless. He's his friend. I think he's allergic to YouTubers. Now he's going to be in an area like this because I'm YouTubers. Okay. I have no money to buy a car. Okay, whatever. I already have lots of scribbles. My eldest brother has all of the skateboards. I don't want to be one. We got it. Son, I want to come to your home. Pick me up. Where am I? I am near the. I'm close to a bridge. I am close to the car shop. Okay, let's go to the car shop. He's my smaller brother, actually. His name is Roblox. Car shop. He's close to the car shop. Over here. There's the car shop. We are going backwards. Oh, yes, I'm there. Okay, now. Okay, stop. Oh, I'm on the ground. Okay, where on the ground? Oh, I saw you at the glider. I was running on glider. Wow, I love this car. There's a mobile back of this car. I hope there's some more back of the car. Come on, let's go. Let's go outside and see my glider brother. I don't like skateboard. Sean, follow me. I want to come to your home. Hi, Harry the Pineapple. And then when he sees my video, he's going to surprise.